This is just a little video to show Morgan and Flora how much Angus is enjoying the mobile that you gave him. He's learning a few things now, so you can see he's learning that he can put his hands through the bar of his crib. He's really enjoying watching all the characters spin round. Something he spends quite a bit of time doing. In general, he's just in good form. He smiles away and he sticks out his tongue and he waves his arms around quite a bit. As you can see, his hands much more sure of what to do with them. But he's particularly chuffed with his mobile. So thank you very much for passing it on to him. That was very thoughtful. He, I'm sure, would like to say thank you too. Thank you.